Hello, I'm in a 2016 Chevy Malibu, and today I'm going to show you to check your oil level. So first open the hood, and while the vehicle's turned off, we'll find your dipstick here that will pull all the way out. And then you wipe this clean with a good rag or paper towel, and then stick this all the way back in. And then pull it right back out. And then we'll check the end. You can kind of see where it's indented there. There's like some grid marks. I don't know if I can get the focus right, but those grid marks, you want it towards the left side of it. If the oil's towards the right side where it's barely on this dipstick, you'll definitely want to get some added. But yeah, the closer you're to that dot on the right or off the dipstick, you'll definitely want to add some. And you don't want it don't want it past the one on the left because that's your full mark. So stick this back in. And if you need to add, do this still while the motor's off. This is your oil cap here that will unscrew. Make sure you're using the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand of oil you've been using. But with this unscrewed, either with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. But once you've added your oil, screw this back on nice and tight. And then I'd start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate that new oil. Turn it off, and then repeat the process we did in the beginning with this dipstick to see if we're at that full mark now. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of regular oil changes, which you can do typically by putting the vehicle on a slight lift. You can get underneath to the oil pan, you pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any oil filters as needed, screw the oil plug back in nice and tight. And then for your particular type of motor, add all the oil recommended for an oil change. Screw this back on nice and tight again, start the motor again for about 5 seconds, turn it off, and then repeat the process from the beginning with that dipstick to see if we're on the full. But I hope all this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.